I have to see what it's all about. Everybody kept talking about this project that burns its supply every week, and all the characters are very cute in this universe. So I jumped in, and here's what I found. Before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's get to this video. All right, everybody, the Milk Mocha pre-sale is live. So I hope you're super excited, and we're going to jump into this. We are going to give you some milk and give you the mocha with it. This token is built around mocha characters. It's also approved by CoinSolid, solid proof. So they've done their due diligence. The team has an idea. It has a friendly ecosystem. All they are hugging right there. Is that not cute? Than just a single purpose meme coin. And everything feeds into NFTs and upcoming games. There's 40 total stages, and they are running for the week. Allocations are fixed per stage. Sellout jumps to the next round, and failure burns the remaining tokens. So it's all good. It is deflationary. That's why Hugs combines the global appeal of a beloved bear character and a great blockchain with over 50 million fans worldwide. Milk Mocha participants can get involved in governance. We can see right here the burn total, all the hugs that you can get, the amount raised, and not only that, you can stake hugs. Go hug your friend while you're watching this, but make sure you stop hugging them so they can get a Web3 wallet and join the pre-sale. And also, you can stake hugs to build a farm so you can go back to Farmville. Kind of reminds me of Facebook a little bit in the early days. Dashboard feels like a casual farming game. Rewards update regularly, and it's designed to have users checking in and progressing. Also, you can jump in the Mokkaverse. Check out how cool this looks. Reminds me of the old Game Boy, and you can play it right now, have fun, multiple games, all the cool stuff. And wait, NFTs? Yes, NFTs are still a thing, and the collections are drawn from Milk and Mocha mini games, so you can play, have fun. And not only that, you can hold NFTs and unlock extra perks and future releases, and even charity initiatives to help. The pre-sale is also going to be donated to the community through a voting system, and they're going to do amazing charities right here. So there's 40 total stages, each running for 1 week. Allocations are fixed per stage, and also sellout jumps to the next round. Failure burns are the remaining tokens, and those burns aren't symbolic, they're on-chain and irreversible. We can also see the burn total right here on the pre-sale. So we can see how many hugs and how many burns right here. So we actually get the total. Do not forget, this is deflationary. First, we start with the foundation, then the ecosystem, then we go to marketing and metaverse development. So guys, be secure, be verified, and it's also in the media of KuCoin, MEXC, Bitcoins, Inside Bitcoins, Daily Coin. And you can read all about it, how to join the pre-sale. You just join the whitelist right here. Click that button. How can you do it with Hugs, their native token? So passive rewards, early bonuses, also the potential for high ROI plus KYC. Always verify your sources, information. This is not financial advice. And last but not least, you can hug a friend, invite, get your referral link, and join the pre-sale now, or click join the pre-sale here and give everybody a hug. Here you'll want to connect to wallet. So if you don't have a Web3 wallet, stop, get a Web3 wallet. You can do all your favorite wallets here. Not only that, we can see the stage, how to grab hugs, how much has been burned, liquidity, and here we can just go ahead and connect all of our favorite wallets, MetaMask, Trust, Wallet, you know the deal, and you can even get a referral code after that. We can see the amazing dashboard here with the wallet, security, information, FAQs, staking, and even the referral and how it works. Guys, that is Milk Mocha in a nutshell. If you want to see how the ecosystem pieces connect, check out this site, explore the pre-sale, staking, NFT, and check out all this awesome stuff out yourself. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.